Hi friends, this is Cindy, the Scrapologist on Etsy, and I'm so excited to tell you that I'm starting a new video series on how to use your scraps. I got my name, the Scrapologist, because I use every shred of paper. I don't throw anything away, and I try not to buy any new paper until I've organized and used up a lot of what I have purchased. Unless I'm buying paper for a custom order, or sometimes I just can't help myself. But I try not to buy, to hoard paper. I just prefer to be organized, and I just work better that way. That's just me. So I'm going to pass on some of my tips to you in a series of videos. These are just going to be quick 5 to 15 minute videos to encourage you to use your scraps. Today's tip is how to make borders out of your strips of paper. We all hate when we end up with these strips, don't we? Because they're just an awkward size. So the first thing you do is you go into your stash of scraps and find any papers that have vertical patterns. I just have 2 samples here of 2 strips that I had with vertical patterns. So all you do is you go through and fussy cut out any vertical pattern that you see. So with this piece, I had 2 sheets of this, and I ended up with a really nice border. And you can put this on your junk journal, your mini album. There just are lots of uses for borders. We always need these. If you're a card maker, this strip here started out like this. I had a couple of these, and at first I really didn't think I could do anything with this, but the more I looked at it, there's always something that you can cut out, and look how pretty that turned out. This is a great border that I'm sure I'll use very soon. Now, sometimes you get a two for one. So with the piece that I actually cut out of that here, I thought that's actually kind of pretty. So now I have 2 borders, or I could use the flip side, whichever side you prefer. So here's your challenge until the next video. Pull out all of your vertical pattern strips, sit in front of the TV or listen to some music with a cup of tea, and fussy cut. Respond below and let me know how you did. Until next time, bye!